Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the top 3 finalists of Miss Universe Jurassic Edition. Please welcome Miss Colombia.
Hi! My name is Rubito Sin from Colombia at naniniwala po ako sa isang kasanihang ang kalamig sa lollipop, dipindi sa pagtilap. Thank you.
Let's all welcome Miss USA. Hi, I'm Miss Rusha Rushe from Nike USA 21. Naniniwala sa isang kasabihan, kung ang itlog butang magic sarap, dilawi, di ba? Parat! Thank you! And now let's proceed to our last finalist, Miss Philippines! Walang ulod!
Hi! This is Piaya Alonso Wurzbach and Wurzbach. 16. At naniniwala po ko sa isang kasabihan, walay relasyon nga mapadayon kung naay mga babaeng bigaon. Busa, amo silang pamusilon, amo silang pamatyon, amo silang sumbagon, para pag-abot sa panahon, kaming bayot ang daginoton. Joke lang. Thank you.
And now let's proceed to the question and answer portion. Let's begin with candidate number 1, Colombia, and the interpreter, Rusha Rushe. I'm the interpreter.
Hi, Miss Colombia. Hi.
Come on here.
Hi.
Okay, here's your question. Do you want an easy or difficult question?
Easy one.
Okay, since you choose easy one, here's your question. How old are you?
22.
Thank you so much!
And now, let's proceed to Miss USA. Thank you.
Hi, Miss USA.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are how?
Fine how?
Okay.
How old are you?
21.
Thank you so much, Miss USA!
No, that's not the question.
I want the hard question.
Okay. How can you, since you choose hard question,
Yes.
how can you describe your face?
It's so hard. Thank you. Please welcome Miss Philippines, Pia Wurzbach Riding.
Where's front? Where's flip?
Mura dyan ulod.
Where's
Jump.
jump?
Where's side?
Side? Another side. Where's
Where's bend?
bend?
Here's your question.
And here's my answer.
Are you familiar with the Dead Sea?
Yes, I'm familiarized. That was the Dead Sea. It's called Die.
The question, who killed the Dead Sea?
Again?
Who killed the Dead Sea?
Huy! Ako'y pasalingan ninyo. Napaday ko ito pagpatayan ng Dead Sea. Buong ba'y pasibasa, makasala pa ko daw. Wadyo kabalo kasi nagpatayan ng Dead Sea dahil.
Bugo!
Kaya pasalingan ninyo.
Dead Sea ba katong sa kuan gawa sa nasod ba katong kuan?
Dagat ba?
O, dagat nga.
Dagat namatay dito.
Ay! Pukad to dira. Uy! Malay ko bang namatay na dahil ito. Buhi pa man ito pa na pag...
Another question.
Sige.
Another answer.
Why the Red Sea is red?
Ay, yung mga sisi, uy! Wala mo gatog dagat, ay na lang.
Sige. If you are going to be the first gay president in the Philippines, what is your name?
Tinkerbell!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And now let's proceed to the 3 finalists in their Hugot category. Please, first.
Ang pag-ibig ko sa iyo ay parang pagkapanalo ni Miss Colombia.
Bakit?
Panandalian lang.
Ang pag-ibig ko sa iyo ay parang host ng Miss Universe.
Bakit madali kang magkakamali?
Ang itim.
Hindi mo na makakamali sa script ba yun? Hindi mo na mako.
Dawata na lang ito itong kaoy.
Kalagong.
Yati.
Sige.
Iba na lang. Baka kasagang ba?
Yati.
Go.
Sabot gan, sabot, Jun.
Peace be with you.
Go, isa.
Hugot pagong.
Pagod kayo?
Miss Universe ka ba?
Bakit?
Bro, kurunay mo na akong gaspang.
Dali na.
And the Miss Universe 2015 Colombia. And Paulina Vega will get the crown to Pasa. Uy. Congratulations. Congratulations. I have to apologize. I'm so sorry. The Miss Universe 2015 is Philippines!
Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? What do you mean? When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no. What do you mean?
And now Miss Philippines, please go in front.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much either. Hello, can you hear me?